story ne say yen nyina nim say na nsen ade ba ko abe problem wo man mu han say Ghanani waba na ase say to abama no na wanya gidie wo na asem no a okanum na wato abama no no ebra so say so komrehye badwafi a onko emra ya hyehye ewe ekura mu nso kire se BBC ekoba se BBC na ntimi nko parliament a so seek permission. Say offer article 97.1 of the constitution no specifically you can see no a kire wonsunsuanso ne asotwe a e wa say de ma member of parliament a one core parliament na one sere kwan again. So I can kind of standing orders what parliament okay standing order 16.1 no and also Charles so I am member of parliament so bet you untimi nko parliament and you was say oh yeah now at Ukraine 2nd March 2022 and the former Kumbugu member of parliament Ras Mubarak honorable a petition speaker say ne hwehwe mu a wa peke from the hazard of parliament actually say nipo mu didi so yi honorable Sarah Joasafo that time no a member of parliament or Domi Kwabenya Henry Kwete no wa ya waso central Ebenezer Kwajokum no wa Hunter West and of course Kennedy or Hene Japan na nyina nim say Asin central na no wo hazard of parliament e capture say na omo absent to more than 15 days na permission enter to ebe ye news okrum ha deja ye kan ho asem ye ka ko nifa ye ka ko benkum ye ka ko yanim ye ka ko yachi e ko wi akire na nsi hwe bi bia nsi okrum ha enya onwanwa se nipa nan ni nyina no se omo ko committee nanim se omo anko committee nanim se omo ko se den na omo kan was it coincidence for ni nyina na hands that capture say omoye absent for parliament entimi ampane hwe obi aso okrumba. Now this is the story. Enra, I read from online say a member of parliament or what naririgu so be an ordinary na ntimi am okro no din ni ya fache me. I'm not in any way demeaning the town. It is just the pronunciation. Na le rigu Gambaga constituency member of parliament your friend Mumuni Nuruddin Muhammad na eno am hu so am yam sheme atefo munim ni reason a wo gina the floor of parliament or kire ne ntia members of parliament to be absent no say ya to aba yi nipa no say onko gina wanan mu ye representational democracy. Honorable Mumuni Nuruddin Muhammad say air conditions are a ward job 600 or more officers no air conditions no ebi nya adwuma bebira say de ka ho bi nti na members of parliament or may absent we nya me ALUTA metia me na meka. This is something what can over the floor of parliament. I will not be a hypocrite me ntena ha nya atwem me say me see say nya say na me car akodi mechanic ho a me air condition wo me car mu depending on the temperature I will turn it on. Me fie me air condition wo depending on the temperature I will turn it on. So me ntimi ntena anya atwem say air condition any ni row a play e wo nipa abrabom wo ba bia yadri. But you can't tell me say job 600 air condition nya adwuma. There no enough reason say parliament conveyor you are not supposed to go to parliament. And this is the highest point of it. And I journey around every say what is happening? Ubedia this from January to March. Our parliament, your friend the August House, etna 43 times, you know. Your members of parliament out of 43, you know, ebia absent without permission. Emphasis mine. Absent without permission. 22 out of 43. Ubia absent 17 out of 43. Ubia absent 16 out of 43. Ubia absent 14 out of 43. Now you see a chiriko kwa yedinima, ye shane man as yedinima. And nama young men so no, yan fire senche. This a baby a shemra, baby a shemra. Say yes, simre tiasia. And yeah, mo shamrana brain. What are you expecting from us? You can navigate on the internet. You see the story. It is there. Captured by all the tabloids. All the prominent news portals in Ghana. The story is captured there. Mumuni, Honorable Mumuni, Nuruddin Muhammad, Member of Parliament, Naririgu Gambaga constituency. I see a condition, the job 600. I say, I am not here to glorify, say, Member of Parliament office, air condition, I say, a man say, well, I am fix it. That is not what I'm saying. But what I'm saying is, in this era, is this a reason I was will be in Parliament? About your fortune, say, na, ya ni omo to aso ano pay. Kukrentu misuni. Time check.